Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable notifications on the Klarna application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you don't wish to receive any notifications from the Klarna application, then in order to disable it, long press on the Klarna app on your device and you will see the app info button. Tap on this button and you will end up within the app info page. From this page, if the app is still opened up, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first to stop the application. Then tap on notifications underneath privacy. And now if the allow notifications option is turned on, then simply tap on this button to turn off the toggle. Once the toggle has been turned off, you will not receive any more notifications from the Klarna application on your device anymore. And you can change this setting at any time that you wish by following the same steps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Klarna application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.